Hi everyone. Good evening guys. Good evening all of you. Hope you are all doing well. So audio video both are clear all of you everyone. Right. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this engineering mechanics gate PYQs. If you just observe right that engineering mechanics gate PYQs will be continuing. This is not centered in moment of inertia, right? It is which one? All of you. Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you. Get ready to crack, all of you. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which and what is the referral code you have to use always? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? What is the referral code you have to use, everyone? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? You recommend this RP Civil Live code to your friends, juniors and everybody to subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses, and for accessing free classes, for everything this code will be useful all of you. Okay, right? Is it clear everyone? Right, Raula, right, Raula, Lena, good evening. Right, everyone. Good evening guys. Right, audio clear now everyone? Right, so these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, and now this is a plus courses going on, right? These are the plus courses going on. If you just observe, right, full length course on the surveying is going on every day. Monday to Saturday it will be going on. Sunday classes will not be there. Every day the class timing will be 8:15 to 10:15 p.m. and these are the new series, right? GATE PYQ series of transportation engineering, 9:30 to 10:15 Monday to Friday. Saturday Sunday I'll be taking which one? This is another subject, right? GATE PYQ series of engineering mechanics, 4:30 to 5 p.m. Monday to Thursday, right? But only this week we have taken up to Saturday, but next week onwards it will be from Monday to Thursday only, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday it will not be there. So you know about me, right? So this is our Telegram channel. You can join, right? These are the fee structures, right? Whenever you are taking this GATE and ESE subscription for 6, 9, 12, 18, 24 months, you will be getting this SSC, JE and State AE, not AWE, State AE exam subscription for which one? 1, 2, 3, 6, 12 months respectively, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Price hike is going to happen, all of you. So before the price is getting increased, subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses and use the referral code RP Civil Live, all of you, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live. On 17th July, there is a guaranteed scholarship test is going to happen at 12 p.m. right? 20 questions will be there, 60 minutes time will be there at 12 p.m. So don't miss this. So depending upon your rank, you will be getting these various scholarships, right? You just check these, right? So there is a Pado, Kelo and Crack Karo series is going on, all of you. So don't miss this series. July 1st to August 15th it is started, everyone. July 1st it was started by me and it will be going up to August 15th, right? So you can get the printed notes for this GATE and ESE preparation. When existing students also can get, existing Plus and Iconic students also can get this, right? Apart from this new students, right? But use the referral code RPCULI, get 10% discount on this, right? So this is which one? The difference between the Plus and Iconic subscription fee structure and what is it? These are all the advantages of which one? This Iconic subscription you are having. Okay. So this is 1:1 live interaction session we'll be having for Iconic students. For every month 2 sessions will be there, if you just observe, right? So this is the difference between this Plus and Iconic subscription. Whichever is suitable for you, try to select that and use the referral code RPC will live and subscribe, right? Those who are unable to pay the entire fee at a time, you can pay this fee in EMIs, right? All of you, you can pay this fee in terms of which one? These EMIs you can pay. So these are the new batches started. Laksha batch, Pragati batch were started on July 7th. Don't worry. So don't miss these options, all of you. Subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses and everyone, right? So RPC will live is the code you have to use, right? So lecture 1 we have done now. And where we are doing now, lecture 2 also. Yesterday up to how many questions we have done, if you just remember? This is 7th question. 8th question, right? Up to this 8 questions we have done, civil engineering questions as well as mechanical engineering questions we have done, right? Civil questions are easy and mechanical questions are little tough, right? Karapaya, good evening. Now coming to this is a lecture 3, right? Now today's lesson is which one? Third lesson, it is not second, it is third lesson. Engineering mechanics. What is the topic? Forces, resolution and equilibrium of forces, right? Forces, resolution of these forces and equilibrium of forces, right? 15th July 2022, right? So that is 8th question is over. Select the answer for this. Question number 9. First civil questions we'll solve. After civil questions gets over, we'll be going into mechanical questions. Okay, right. Solve these everyone and write your option. I'll be waiting for 1 minute or 2 minute time. Select your answer, write your answer everyone, write the question number 9 and answer, right? 9 answer, right? Like that you make it. So that I'll not be confusing for which question you are answering that. Everyone, solve this and select the answer, all of you. A cylinder of which one? That 250 millimeter radius is given, right? Radius of the cylinder is 250 millimeter and the weight W is equal to 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton is the weight of the cylinder W given. Is rolled upon obstacle, right? So this is an obstacle you are getting and it is rolled. Of height how much? 50 millimeter by applying a horizontal force of P, right? We are applying this horizontal force P and it is having a weight W and it will be rolled against this obstruction, right? Of how much height? You can say 50 millimeter height of obstruction at its center as shown in the figure, right? By applying a horizontal force P at its center, right? All the interfaces are assumed to be frictionless, so no need to consider this friction effect here. Then the minimum value of this P will be, right? What is the value of this P? We are asked to identify. What is the value of this P? You are asked to identify. Select everyone. Friction is not there, but from the bottom surface normal reaction will come now. Friction is not there means normal reaction also will not be there, right? B is answer. B means 5 kilonewton. Any other answer by others, all of you? Anyone else is having another answer? Right, shall I start? Okay, I'll start solving this question all of you. Right here, if you just observe, right, we'll look into the solution here. So whenever you are considering that cylinder, if you just observe, whenever you are considering that cylinder, that cylinder means it this is circular form only it is showing for us, nothing else is showing, right? Let us assume this is your cylinder. And what is it you are having? You can say, right, let us say at this point where it is touching now, at this point where it is touching, you can just take this as a D, right? You can just take this as which one? This is D, right? It is rolled against means it will be rotating freely means what is it? You can say sum of the moments will be 0 now. So this is your D point if you just observe it. Let us say this is your center of this cylinder A point you can say. And what is this you are having? A to D will be the radius of this cylinder now. A to D will be the radius of this cylinder, right? Now tell me what is this? A, let us take this as B and let us take this as which one? This is C if you just observe, right? So your weight will be acting in which direction you can say? That weight will be acting in this downward direction. Your weight W will be acting in this downward direction. And we are applying a P here exactly at this A only, right? And will there be any normal reaction created or no normal reaction created? Normal reaction will be 0 na, because it is free to roll na. It is free to roll. And what is it? What else is given? And that friction will be equal to 0 na. When that friction is equal to 0 means automatically that normal reaction developed is also 0, you can say, right? So now what is this distance that BC will be equal to? From here to here it is your 50 millimeter now. So now this is your CB will be how much? That CB will be equal to that 50 millimeter. And what is that AC? We know AC is nothing but your radius now. What is the radius? 250 millimeter now. So that AC is equal to that radius is equal to AC equal to 250 millimeter, right? And what is that AB? If you just observe, you can say that AB will be equal to what? AB will be equal to that 250 millimeter minus this 50 millimeter. It is equal to which one? This is 200 millimeter, if you just observe, right? So AB we know and AD we know. And how can you get this BD? If you just observe that BD, if you just try to get it from this triangle, right? What is that? This is your R is equal to that 250 now. This is your A, you can say, and this is your D, you can say, right? This is your B, right? AB is given as your 200 and you are asked to identify this BD, right? How can you get this BD? Under a root that hypotenuse AD square minus this opposite side AB square na. How much it comes to be, everyone? Under a root, what is it AD? 250, right? Under a root that 250 square minus this 200 square, right? What is the value of this BD comes to be, everyone of you? This implies that a BD will be equal to how much, right? This implies that BD will be equal to which one? This 150 millimeter, right? 150 millimeter, right? Why we have to get this? To apply this sum of the moments about this point D equal to 0. Sum of the moments about this point D equal to 0, if you just observe. What is it you can say? This is P into AB distance na. So this implies 0 equal to what is that? P into this perpendicular distance, right? P into what is it perpendicular distance? That AB. Clockwise, right? This is clockwise now because this P is creating clockwise, right? This W is creating anti-clockwise now. So minus W into which distance, you can say minus W into this BD distance now, that BD equals to 0, right? So what is it you can say? That 0 is equal to P. P we do not know, we have to find out that P only know. P into what is it? AB. AB is nothing but your 200 na, minus what is it? W we know that W weight is given as what? 10 kilonewton na. The W is given as your 10 kilonewton na. So 10 kilonewton into what is the BD, you can say that is your 150 millimeter, right? So this implies what is the value of this P we are getting, everyone? That 10 into 150 divided by this 200 na, yes or no? So how much it comes to be that P value, everyone? So therefore that P value comes to be that is 7.5 kilonewton only na, everyone. 7.5 kilonewton is the P value you are getting, right? Is that clear, everyone? Those who answered wrongly, very done mistake, is that clear? 7.5 kilonewton, option D will be the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Video struck for all? This is your 7.5 kilonewtons is the answer you are getting, right? Question number 9. Okay? This is your first slide, second slide, third slide. Question number 10. Solve this question, everyone. Solve this question, everyone, now, all of you. What is the answer for this question? Try to solve, everyone. What happened? Yeah. Solve this, all of you. Solve this answer, all of you. Now it is okay, it seems. Yeah. rigid bodies, two rigid bodies are, first one is 5 kg and second one is 4 kg are at rest and on a frictionless surface, right? No need to consider friction here. Until acted upon by a force 36 kilonewton as shown in the figure, the contact force generated between the two bodies is, right? You are asked to identify the contact force between them. Try to solve this question, everyone. Select the answer of you. This 36 kilonewton is acting and you are asked to identify the contact force, right? What is the contact force? Contact force means force between this first block and the second block, you can say. Nobody is doing it. So what is that net force acting on this? That 36 newtons is acting on this now. If you just observe. So if you just observe that net force 36 newtons is acting on which one? This is 5 kg and 4 kg total. How much body it will be moving? Total that 5 plus 4 9 kg body it is moving now. If you just observe that 36 newton is moving, that 9 kg body, right? So for equilibrium, right, for equilibrium, if you just observe that sigma fx equal to 0 means, right, what is it you can say? That a net force, right? Or you can also write it as this net force is equal to, what is it you can say? That a net mass, right? Force is acting on the right hand side direction. What is that net mass? Two masses together it will be acting in the left hand side direction, obstructing that force. So net mass into that acceleration, if you just observe, right? What is it you can say? That net force, right? Let us take this as P. So that P force 36 newtons is equal to, right? What is that net mass you can say? That net mass is nothing but your first one plus this second one, how much it will be? 36 newtons is equal to 5 kg, right? 5 kg plus 4 kg, both masses should be moved into that acceleration, right? Then what is the acceleration you are getting? 36 divided by this 9 is equal to that 4 meter per second square, right? So that is the acceleration applied, if you just observe, right? That is the acceleration applied, if you just say. Now if you just observe, right, whenever you are considering this first one, what is that first one? Here 36 newtons is acting in this right hand side direction, and if you just observe it, this F is acting in which direction? That F is acting contact force, let us, right? What is the F you can say? F is the contact force between two masses. And again that mass is also acting, that M into A is also acting in this direction, so this M1 into A. So what is that you can say? That sigma fx equal to 0, if you just observe. What is the sigma fx equal to 0? For this 5 kg weight, if you just observe, for this 5 kg weight you can consider, right? F is the contact force now between the two members, right? Akhil, good evening. So sigma fx is 0 means 36 is positive, you are getting minus 5 kg into what is the acceleration? A is the acceleration, so and again minus F equal to 0, right? What is the acceleration? Acceleration is 4, right? Therefore that F is equal to what? 36 minus 20 is equal to, that means that the contact force F is equal to 16 newtons between the two members, right? Where is that you can say? This is your 16 newtons. Option D will be the correct answer, Yes, option D will be the correct answer, if you just observe, right? Is that clear? I don't have any notes, right? I don't prepare any notes generally, right? But if you want, I can give you, just ask me, no problem. Right, this is what you are having, you can say. Yes, now clear everyone, all of you? Is this clear how you are getting that contact force as your 16 kilonewton? Is that clear everyone, that contact force are 16 kilonewton? How you are getting it everyone? Yes, now. So this is your question number 10, and we will be moving on to this question number 11. So, fourth slide. This is your fifth slide. This is your question number 11. You solve it everyone. Solve this question of you. Okay, no problem. Same sigma fx, sigma fy, sigma m. That's it, right? These three mainly. Nothing else is there. A box of weight 100 kilonewton as shown in the figure to be lifted without swinging, right? Without swinging it will be lifted, right? So means it will be exactly under equilibrium, right? If all the forces are coplanar, means all are passing through the same point. Coplanar means acting on the same plane and passing through the same point, right? Then the magnitude and the direction of this force F with respect to x-axis is. You will solve or shall I solve directly? Okay, time is not there now, I will solve it directly. So here if you just observe this, what is that you are having? You can say that force is acting in this vertically downward direction, that weight 100 kilonewton is acting in this vertically downward direction. And if you just observe it, what are the other forces you are having at this place? Right, this is your y axis, you can say. And at this place, what are the other forces? Right, this is your 90 kilonewton is acting. That is your 90 kilonewton acting at which distance, at which angle? At this 30-degree angle, you can say, right? So there is one more force acting which is 40 kilonewton. So that 40 kilonewton is acting at which angle if you just observe? That is acting at an angle of 45 degrees if you just observe, right? And you are having this one unknown. So that unknown force you are having, right? What is that unknown force? F. It is acting at an angle of theta with respect to horizontal, that you are supposed to calculate, right? So now if you just consider what are the components of this, right? One component of this is in vertical upward direction, one component left side direction. For this one component right side, one component left upward, right? For this one component right side and one component which one? This you can say, right, upward, you can say if you just observe, right? Now what is that you are having? You can say just sigma fx equal to 0 if you just observe, right? What is that? Sigma fx is 0 everyone. So this is your theta na? This is your theta, so means 90 cos theta na? So that is your 90 cos theta left hand side force, LHS force, equal to what are the RHS forces? This is your theta na? So 45 degrees na? This is a theta na? So what is that? You can say that 40 into which one? That 40 into that cos, so 45 plus what is that? Plus f cos theta, right? Plus this f cos theta, right? From this, what is that you are getting everyone? Tell me that f cos theta, all of you. How much is that f cos theta you are getting, all of you? How much is that f cos theta you are getting everyone? Somebody tell me this f cos theta everyone getting? F cos theta everyone, tell me some answer. Tell me the value everyone. Tell me all of you, f cos theta, how much you are getting? 90 cos 30 na? So no, that is 90 cos 30, you can see if you just observe that theta here will be, it is not theta, it is 30, okay? Because that angle is already given na? 90 cos 30. So what is the f cos theta? If you just observe 90 cos 30 minus this 40 cos 45 na? So 90 into this cos 30, right? Minus which one? This 40 into which one? This cos 45 if you just observe, right? What is it you can say? What is it you can see if you just observe that f cos theta is equal to 49, right? 49 point, this is 66 kilonewton na? 49.66 kilonewtons if you just observe, right? Now tell me. So there are two ways after this, right? What is that method one you can say? After this there are two methods you are having. First one is what, right? That method one, just check the options. What is that method one? You can say check options, right? How can you check these options if you just observe? When you are checking options, right, that option A, what is that you are having? That F is equal to which one? What is that? Theta is 28.28 degrees. F is 56.38. Right? What is it you can say? That F cos 30, right? What is it? F cos theta is equal to how much? F cos theta is nothing but your 56.389. 56.389 into what is that? Cos 28.28, right? Cos 28.28, right? How much you are getting, everyone? Just tell me. How much you are getting? 56.389, right? 56.389 into what is it? You can say that cos 28.28 degrees if you just observe, right? How much you are getting? 49.66, right? So this comes to be this 49.66 kilonewtons, right? So directly we can select that option A is correct now. Directly we can say that option is correct or not? Or what is that method 2 if you just observe? What is that method 2 if you just observe? And up to that it is same. Yes, absolutely. That resolution only sigma Fy equal to 0, right? What is that sigma Fy equal to 0, everyone? That sigma Fy equal to 0 means what? So that vertically upward, right? That is where 90, right? These three are upward and this is downward now. So 100 kilonewton is equal to 100 kilonewton downward is equal to, right? What is that 3 upward? 90 sine 30. Yes, now what is that? 90 sine 30 plus which one? That 40 sine 45 plus what? F sine theta, right? Plus this F sine theta, right? Now tell me what is the F sine theta you are getting, everyone? So this way also you can proceed now. What is the F sine theta? Either that way you can proceed or this way you can proceed, right? F sine theta is how much, everyone? 100 minus what is that? 90 sine 30 minus which one? This 40 sine 45. How much it comes to be? 26.72, right? 26.72 kilonewton it comes to be if you just observe, right? Clear now? Let us say this is 1 and this is 2. So from this 2 and 1, right? What is that? 2 by 1 if you just observe. When you are taking this 2 by 1 is what? That F sine theta divided by this F cos theta na. F sine theta by this F cos theta is equal to how much? 26.72 divided by what is that? 49.66 now. 49.66, right? So then this implies, right, that tan theta is equal to some value you will be getting. Then theta is equal to that value, right? Tan theta is equal to how much? 26.72 divided by this 26.72 divided by which one? 26.72 divided by 49.66 now. How much it comes to be? 0.5380, right? 0.5380, right? What is the tan inverse if you just observe? Tan inverse of this if you just select, that theta comes to be 28.28 degrees is the theta you are getting, right? So positive theta only you are getting na, no negative theta, right? 28.28 means which option is correct? Option A is correct na? Option A is correct, right? If you just observe from this 2 or 1, let us take it from this 2, right? What is it you are having? F will be equal to which one? Under root, what is that? That F cos theta whole square. Is now F cos theta whole square plus this F sin theta whole square na. That is how you will be getting this F or not, everyone? Yes, right? So from 1 and 2. What is the F cos theta? 49.66 square plus this F sin theta is how much you can say? 26.72 now. That is 26.72 square, right? So get the value of this F in kilonewtons, everyone. How many kilonewtons you will be getting that? Under root 49.66 square plus 26.72 square. How much you are getting, everyone? 56.39 and 56.39 kilonewtons, right? So is that clear, everyone? 56.39 and 28.28, right? Which option is correct? Option A is correct. There is no opposite direction. Is that a direction changing or we are getting positive only? We are getting positive means that F direction is correct only, right? No need to change the direction, no need to get the negative. Is that clear? All of you. So with this we'll be closing this session for today. Okay. Tomorrow also the same forces, resolution and equilibrium of these forces blocks only we'll consider in tomorrow's class, and after that we'll go for a friction. Okay. Right. Shall I close the session, everyone? Right. Thank you all of you.